Su-57 and F-35, which is better fighter jet? Su-57 and F-35 both are fifth generation fighter jet. Su-57 twin engine and F-35 single engine fighter jet. Su-57 has air-to-air combat capabilities better than F-35. Su-57 has more speed, altitude, missile carriage, engagement, more carriage. Su-57 can carry more weapons than F-35. Air-to-ground combat, F-35 is better than Su-57 because its radar, electric surveillance, advanced mobility, and DAS technology. DAS technology means real-time view. Production Su-57 has already 10 prototype and F-35 has produced 400 unit. On this basis of comparison, Su-57 is far superior than F-35. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and share